So, the old Oraimo Freepods Pro left many of us disappointed. But now, here is a new version, the new Oraimo Freepods Pro Plus. And they promise it is different. But what exactly has changed? Could this really be Oraimo's best earbuds yet? Stick around to find out. The price of this Oraimo Freepods Pro Plus goes for 69,000 Naira here in Nigeria, which is equivalent to about $43 as of the time of making this video. You can get it cheaper by using the discount code BRACKET and you're going to get a 5% discount off. This applies to countries like Ghana, Kenya, Nigeria, and Morocco. So if you are in any of these countries, you can enjoy this discount now. And also, this works for all Oraimo products. Thank you for using the discount code, and let's continue with the rest of the video. Moving over to the unboxing side of this Oraimo Freepods Pro Plus, Oraimo always keep their packaging simple and classy. It comes in a small square box. Opening the box, you have the protective pouch for the earbuds charging case. The next item is the Oraimo Freepods Pro Plus itself, followed by a short Type-C charging cable, 2 extra earbuds for small and large ear sizes, a user manual in English and 5 other languages, and lastly, a small thick paper with quick guide on the ANC function. That is all you are going to find in the box of this Oraimo Freepods Pro Plus. Taking a closer look at the design of this Oraimo Freepods Pro Plus charging case, you'll notice that it is familiar. It has the exact design just as its predecessor. They didn't change much in terms of form. The same gray finish, the same reset button placement, the same Type-C port placement, even the earbuds are still the same stem style design. There is only one minor difference in this design department when you compare the charging case of these guys, and that is on the Oraimo branding. Yes, I mean the background of the branding. It is grey color on the new Oraimo Freepods Pro Plus, while it is gold color on the old Oraimo Freepods Pro. That is the only difference you are going to notice when it comes to the design department. Lest I forget, I have to tell you that the pouch included in these two guys are not that good. I noticed that when you start using the pouch with the charging case, maybe in a week or two, you will notice that it is no longer sticky. As you can see, it comes in 2 different parts. So one part is likely to get lost, and I would recommend you get a third-party pouch. You can get one from Aliexpress for less than $3, or you get one from Jumia for 3,000 Naira here in Nigeria. Moving over to the connection department, this Oraimo Freepods Pro Plus comes with SBC and AAC as their connection codecs, which means if you are using an iPhone or you are using an Android device, this guy is going to connect seamlessly to your device. And they also feature dual connectivity. That means you can connect it to 2 devices at the same time. So if you are using an iPhone and a laptop, an Android and a laptop, or you are using 2 phones, you can connect these guys to both of them at the same time. Please note that you need to switch on this feature on the Oraimo Sound app so that you can take advantage of the feature. If not, by default, it is not turned on. So you have to turn it on in the Oraimo Sound app and connect. They also run on Bluetooth version 5.4, which is the latest Bluetooth version in the market right now. So you are guaranteed to have a faster and stable connection. Before we move over to the battery life, it is also worth noting that this Oraimo Freepods Pro Plus offers you in-ear detection, which means that, for example, if you are playing music and you have the 2 earbuds in your ears, once you remove one of these earbuds out of your ear, it's going to pause itself. Now, once you return it back, it's going to start playing automatically. How cool is that? At the battery department of this Oraimo Freepods Pro Plus, expect nothing less. The Oraimo Freepods Pro Plus battery capacity is 74 mAh for each of the earbuds and 510 mAh for the charging case. Oraimo claims that this Oraimo Freepods Pro Plus can last you for 13 hours with the ANC turned off and 9 hours with the ANC turned on. During my testing, I noticed that this Oraimo Freepods Pro Plus lasted me for 9 hours 20 minutes with the ANC turned off and 7 hours 43 minutes with the ANC turned on. An additional 18 minutes extra at the transparency mode. That means you'll be getting 8 hours 1 minute when you are using the transparency mode. And I have to say this, please listen responsibly. Don't listen at high volume, please listen at medium volume settings or low volumes. Thank you. The charging case can actually charge up your earbuds for almost 4 times. Yes, it is going to charge it up fully for 3 solid times from 0 to 100%, and on the 4th one, it's going to charge up your left earbuds and your right earbuds to 70 and 80% respectively. So that is almost 4 times. And if you are using the Oraimo Freepods Pro Plus to charge up the earbuds, it's going to take you just 40 minutes to fully charge from 0 to 100%. And the reason why this Oraimo Freepods Pro Plus can charge it up that fast is because Oraimo has actually increased the output of the charging case of this Oraimo Freepods Pro Plus. You can see that when you look at the figures or the ratings on the Oraimo Freepods Pro Plus and compare it to that of the Oraimo Freepods Pro. Just open up the lid of the Oraimo Freepods Pro and the Oraimo Freepods Pro Plus and you'll notice what I've just said. And to charge up the earbuds and the charging case all together, 1 hour 20 minutes using a 20 watts adapter. And when the Oraimo Freepods Pro Plus charging case is fully charged, you are going to notice that the indicator will go off. So that means it is fully charged. When it is charging, it's going to change from red, which is the lowest, to orange, which is the medium charge, and to green, which is the almost charged. And when it is fully charged, it's going to go off. And same applies to when you want to check the battery levels of this Oraimo Freepods Pro Plus. When it comes to the comfort side of this Oraimo Freepods Pro Plus, I can say this is one of the best. If you are someone that has been using the Oraimo Freepods Pro, I mean this old one, I don't think you are going to have an issue with this. I didn't experience any issue during my testing of this Oraimo Freepods Pro Plus. Even if you have any issue with it, what I would recommend you do is to just take the extra air tips and switch it to the one on it, and that should fix the issue. At the ANC department, nothing changed much here. Just like the old Oraimo Freepods Pro, the new Oraimo Freepods Pro Plus comes in with 45 decibels noise cancellation rating too. It is not a complete silence, but for a quiet time, this guy gets the job done. They can be controlled by the touch sensors located by the top side of this earbud. They are quite responsive and convenient to use. To pause your music, to play it, to skip to the next track or to skip back, even to pick up your calls and decline, you can do all this without issues. The Oraimo Freepods Pro Plus comes with app support, and that is Oraimo Sound app. If you are using an iPhone, all you have to do is to go to your Apple App Store and download Oraimo Sound app, and if you are using an Android device, then go to your Google Play Store and download the Oraimo Sound app. With this Oraimo Sound app, you'll be able to explore and use your Oraimo Freepods Pro Plus to its maximum potential. You can also add volume controls on your Oraimo Freepods Pro Plus with the aid of the app, and also you can tweak it to an EQ that suits your taste. At the latency department, this Oraimo Freepods Pro Plus performed very well. And yes, it comes with game mode. Even if you are playing casual games like Killer Bee, Candy Crush, Beach Buggy and the rest, you have nothing to worry about. But when it comes to playing first-person shooting games such as PUBG, Call of Duty, Free Fire, Phantom Fury or Delta Force, you are going to notice a little bit of latency while playing your game. And this is where the game mode comes into play. You can activate the game mode by press holding your left earbud for 4 beeps and it's going to switch to game mode. And once it is activated, you are going to notice that the lag will reduce a little bit, and with that you can win most of your games. For the call quality side, you can trust this earbud, this Oraimo Freepods Pro Plus, to give you the best. It has 4 environmental noise cancellation microphones in them, so you can have a crystal clear conversation with the person you are calling. For my friends at the gym, or if you are into exercise, you can be rest assured that this Oraimo Freepods Pro Plus got you covered. It has IPS5 waterproof rating, But when it is raining or you want to go for swimming, please yank them out of your ears and put them in their charging case and keep it somewhere safe. I have to tell you that there are 2 extra features available on this guy. You can turn them on the Oraimo Sound app. The first one is the Smart Chat. The Smart Chat works like this. For example, if you are playing your music and you talk, the earbuds are going to sense that you are talking and they will pause the music for you, so you can converse with the person, and once you are done, they will automatically play themselves after 8 seconds of silence. I'm someone that always hum along when I'm singing, so what you can do is just turn it off or don't use it at all. And if you are not bothered with that, maybe you are in an office setting, I think this feature is going to be a very good one. The second one is the wide area tap, and this wide area tap works like this. So when you put the earbuds in your ears, you can tap the entrance of your earbuds without touching the earbuds themselves. Just tap it by the entrance like this, 1, 2, and it's going to pause your music. Tap it once again, it's going to play your music. You can also tap the outer part of your ear without touching the earbuds, and it's going to also pause or play your music. And when you tap it 3 times, like 1, 2, 3, it's going to switch from ANC mode to the next mode, which is transparency mode, and to the next mode, which is the normal mode. How cool is that? Now to the meat of this video, which is the sound quality of the Oraimo Freepods Pro Plus. I can tell you for free that these guys sound surprisingly good. Now, I have to be sincere with you, it is this same sound quality you'll be getting from the Oraimo Freepods Pro. So if you have used the Oraimo Freepods Pro before, then just know that that is what you'll be getting on this guy. Now, the sound profile is a very tidy up one. The bass is punchy at a moderate level, while the mids are very clear. And to the treble, they are just set lower on the scale. So there's nothing muddy here. Everything is just set on a very good scale, and you're going to hear it clean and clear. It is very clean, well tidy up. It's not muddy at all. That is what I can say about this sound quality of this guy. You can get this Oraimo Freepods Pro Plus and forget about the expensive ones in the market. In conclusion, I have to commend Oraimo for a job well done. Oraimo actually went back to their drawing board with our feedbacks and complaints, and here is the result, the Oraimo Freepods Pro Plus. The only thing, or maybe 2 things I think Oraimo should have added to this Oraimo Freepods Pro Plus are the spatial audio and wireless charging. Bye for now. Peace.